Welcome to the Academic Success and Advising Center's mini workshop series. Our goal is to provide short but helpful presentations that will assist you with academic skills. This academic mobile apps presentation offers a few cell phone apps to help with time management, studying, and planning. Enjoy! It's always helpful to have some sort of calendar or planner to mark down your assignments and deadlines. If you don't want a handheld planner, then iStudies Pro might be a good app for you. It's an online planner, as you can see on the right-hand side. Once you open your calendar, you're allowed to input assignments, your semester and classes, your professor's information, and you can also insert all of your homework and tasks into one area. As you can see from the visual, you can insert your schedule with days and times, and when you click on specific classes, you can even insert your homework assignments and their due dates. An app to help with time management is Focus Keeper. Although it looks similar to a stopwatch, many students say it holds them personally responsible for managing their time and studying successfully. In Focus Keeper, you create focus sessions, set goals, and you're also able to track your productivity. The goal is to study for chunks of time, not long periods of time. You can insert a task that you'd like to focus on, insert breaks if they're needed, and set multiple focus sessions for successful studying. Quizlet is a great app for studying. Many students already use it, but I always put it in this presentation because it's so helpful. You are able to create your own study materials, including flashcards or memory tests, and the app even includes a race against the clock game. There's pronunciation in various languages, and you're also able to study with different images and audio that you can input into the study set. You can also create folders for different subjects or classes and organize your flashcards in that way. I included this app called Calm, and even though it's not a study app, I thought it would be helpful because college can be a stressful time. This app, which focuses on sleep meditation and relaxation, can offer a way to de-stress. It includes sleep stories, songs, and calming sounds. There are hundreds of meditations to explore, and it can be something you might want to try out if you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed. This might be a way to keep yourself successful and on balance throughout the semester. We hope you've enjoyed this mini workshop presentation.